Uy, may bagong Huawei phone na naman ang nagpaparamdam. Sana all. Namataan si Chinese social media site na Weibo ang mga photos na to showing yung Huawei Enjoy 80 at ayon kay GSM Arena, phone was spotted with a Kirin 710 chip and no 5G connectivity. Sinabi pa nila na it would be a shame that Huawei is launching a phone in 2025 with 14nm chip that powered mid-rangers in 2018. Posible kasi na budget-friendly ang Enjoy 80 kaya yung specs niya ay hindi din gaanong kalakasan. Meron din daw mysterious button on the left side yung phone at ang button na ito ay maaring quick access button lang at hindi for camera or anything AI related dahil nga budget-friendly ang phone na ito. Yung iba niyang specs ay 6.67 inches HD screen, a 50 megapixel main camera, and a 6,620 mAh battery with 40 watts wired charging. Hindi pa natin alam kung i-release pa siya sa Pilipinas, kaya expect na muna natin na exclusive lang ito sa China. Pero malay nyo, baka magbago yung isip ni Huawei na i-release din ang Enjoy 80 dito sa atin. Ikaw, anong masasabi mo? Comment down below.